Hey, it's Dr. Hampton here, and today we're going to talk about something that changed my life. And no, it's not steak this time. It's sleep. Now, I know some of y'all are powering through the day with coffee in one hand and hope in the other. But what if I told you better sleep might be the real superpower you've been missing? Lately, my own sleep has improved a lot. And I'm telling you, when your sleep improves, so does everything else. Your mood, your metabolism, your memory, and yes, your waistline. So today, I'm sharing 15 natural sleep hacks that actually work, all backed by science, metabolism friendly, and with some wild facts you've probably never heard. And if you hang in there, tip number 12 might literally change how you breathe at night. So let's dive in. Hack number 1, cool your room to somewhere between 65 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. You are not a tropical plant. You are a mammal, and your body needs to cool down to fall asleep. Here's the science. As night approaches, your core body temperature naturally drops to trigger melatonin release. But if your room feels like a sauna, your brain's like, not right now. Keeping your room temperature 65 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit gives your brain the signal it's time to shut it down. Here's a bonus. Cooler temperatures can activate brown fat, which helps you burn more calories while you sleep. So yes, being chilly might help you get leaner too. Hack number 2, get morning sunlight within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. This one changed my life. Getting sunlight early, ideally within 30 minutes of waking up, resets your body clock. The light tells your brain, wake up now, and produce melatonin 14 to 16 hours from now. It sets the whole rhythm. And don't worry, you don't need to stare at the sun like a superhero. Just 10 to 15 minutes outside, no sunglasses, even if it's cloudy. Your circadian rhythm will thank you. And if you wake up really early like me, or live in an area where you don't get a lot of sunlight, I have a mood lamp that I use in the morning for about 20 minutes or so. Hack number 3, avoid blue light after sunset. Yes, let's talk about blue light, the sneaky sleep saboteur. Every time you check your phone in bed, your brain gets a hit of daytime, and melatonin goes into hiding. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin more than a shot of espresso. Seriously, try blue light blocking glasses, night shift modes, or simply put the phone down. Yes, I'm talking about you. Hack number 4, magnesium-rich foods at dinner. Magnesium is like the chill mineral. It calms your muscles and your mind. It works by activating GABA, the neurotransmitter that says, hey brain, let's relax. And here's the thing, most people are deficient in magnesium. Try adding salmon, pumpkin seeds, spinach, or avocado to your dinner. Or consider a supplement like magnesium glycinate. Hack number 5, early dinner 3 to 4 hours before bed. Midnight snacks are cute until they ruin your sleep. When you eat late, your body's focused on digestion instead of rest. Core body temperature goes up, insulin goes up, and melatonin goes down. So try wrapping up dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Your metabolism and your REM cycles will thank you. Hack number 6, cold shower or bath 1 to 2 hours before bed. I know it sounds awful, but hear me out. A quick cold shower or even just cold feet soaks drops your core body temperature, just like your body wants before sleep. And it triggers a parasympathetic response, also known as rest and digest. Here's a bonus. You might sleep deeper and burn more fat. Yes, cold can be cozy eventually. Hack number 7, stop drinking water 1 to 2 hours before bed. Let's be honest, nighttime bathroom runs are ruining more sleep than TikTok. Try cutting off fluids about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Yes, hydration is important, but interrupted sleep is a bigger issue for metabolic health. Even one disrupted night can raise insulin resistance by up to 30%. Now let me pause for a moment. If you find this video helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these hacks are you going to try tonight? Because sleep isn't just rest, it's healing. Now let's keep going. Hack number 8, glycine or collagen before bed. Glycine is an amino acid that lowers core body temperature and helps your brain relax. You can get it from bone broth, collagen, or about 30 grams of glycine supplement. Studies show it improves REM sleep and reduces brain fog the next morning. It's like melatonin's chill cousin that doesn't make make you groggy. Hack number 9, grounding or earthing. Now this one's like, whoa, but the science is catching up. Walking barefoot on the earth, yes, grass, sand, dirt, can reduce inflammation and lower cortisol. Some studies even show it improves heart rate variability and sleep quality. Try 10 minutes of barefoot time each day and see what happens. Sometimes nature really is the best medicine. Hack number 10, tryptophan-rich protein plus fat in the evening. Tryptophan helps your body make serotonin, which later becomes melatonin. But here's the catch. Tryptophan needs a ride, meaning you need fat to help it absorb and other amino acids to balance it out. So try eggs with butter, salmon with olive oil, or turkey with avocado. Grandma's bedtime snack. So she was onto something. Hack number 11, red light mimics sunset, your body's natural sleep cue. Studies show red and near infrared light can boost melatonin, reduce inflammation, and support mitochondrial health. Try 10 to 20 minutes in the evening using a red light panel or bulb. It's basically circadian rhythm rehab. Hack number 12, nose breathing and mouth taping. This one might blow your mind and clear your sinuses. Breathing through your nose boosts nitric oxide, relaxes your nervous system, and improves oxygen flow. Mouth breathing, it dries you out and stresses your body. Some people use mouth tape to retrain themselves. Start slow, but the benefits from deep sleep and even snoring reduction are real. Hack number 13, cut off caffeine at noon. This might be the one you resist, but listen. Caffeine blocks adenosine, your body's natural sleep pressure chemical, and it has a half-life of 5 to 8 hours. That means your 2 p.m. coffee might still be partying in your brain at 10 p.m. If sleep matters, cut caffeine by noon. Your body will adapt. Hack number 14, weighted blankets. Weighted blankets provide deep pressure stimulation, which increases serotonin and reduces anxiety. They're especially helpful if your mind races at night. It's like being hugged by a therapy bear. Look for one that's about 10% of your body weight. Your nervous system will melt. And finally, hack number 15, create a wind down ritual. Your brain loves routine. A simple wind down routine tells it, we're done for today. Try stretching, reading fiction, journaling, prayer, a warm bath, or even just turning off the lights at the same time each night. Over time, these rituals train your nervous system to relax faster. Now, you don't need all 15 of these hacks, but I guarantee this, even just 2 or 3 can completely change the way you sleep and how you feel every day. Sleep isn't optional, it's foundational. It affects your hormones, your hunger, your focus, and your weight. So let me ask you, which of these 15 sleep hacks are you going to try tonight? Comment below. I want to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the playlist in the description for more videos on healing your body from the inside out. Until next time, sleep well, dream big, and continue to protect your nest.